Science lesson number 1. Natural resources एयर, वाटर, लैंड. हवा, पानी और जमीन प्राकृतिक सामान. Observe the picture alongside and answer the question. Where do we see the birds? हम पक्षियों को कहाँ देखते हैं? Where is the cow grazing? हम गाय को कहाँ चढ़ते हुए देखते हैं? Locate the tree and the road. Where does the river come from? How does it flow? Where is the aeroplane? Where are the fish seen? On what is the sailboat floating? Now we talk about natural resources. You can see that some things in the picture are in water, some on land and some in the sky. That is in the air. Thus all things on the air are associated with water, air and land. Air, water and land are called the earth atmosphere. These three atmosphere mix and it's called hydrosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere respectively. Moreover, different living things occupy these three spheres of the earth. This living thing and the part of the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere which they occupy are together called the biosphere. These spheres have formed on the earth naturally. We have learned all this in the previous standard. The atmosphere is the layer of air that surround the earth. The surface of earth comprise water and land, that is the hydrosphere and lithosphere of these. The hydrosphere occupy a much larger part than the lithosphere. Figure 1.2 shows a proportion of land and water on the earth's surface. This is a diagram of 1.2. Proportion of land water. The water is only 71%. Very many more water. But there is only 10 to 20% clean water and the all water are bad. There is only 29% land. We also look upon these natural components in solid, liquid and gaseous form as resources. In other words, we use them to fulfill our requirement. Let us now study all these three components in detail. It is called hydrosphere. This is lithosphere, the land, and in the air above part it is called atmosphere. Thank you.